Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to log into Magic Tiles 3 using Facebook. In order to log into Magic Tiles 3 using Facebook, first of all open up the Magic Tiles 3 application on your device and wait for the game to load. From the home page, tap on the profile avatar at the top left corner. Now click on Sign in to sync data and make sure that you tap on the Facebook logo. Click the Continue button in the pop-up to end up in Facebook.com's sign-in area. Now type down your mobile number or email address associated with your Facebook account followed by the account's password. Click on Login once you are done. After you do that, you will be able to log in successfully. Your progress will be linked to your Facebook account. That way, you can keep your progress safe and enjoy the rhythm without losing your streaks. If the video was helpful to you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.